Hey everyone! Welcome to Learn with Priography series, where I share useful knowledge to help you grow and succeed. In this video, I'll share a few non-negotiables every fresher should know to avoid common mistakes before resume building. Point number 1, pick the right template. Keep it clean, professional, and minimal. Use free templates on Canva, NovaResume, or Google Docs, but make sure they are ats-friendly. Point number 2, stick to one page. As a fresher, one page is sufficient enough, so focus on showcasing the most important information in a clear and concise way. Point number 3, contents of resume. Start with your contact details. Include your full name, a phone number that's active, and a professional email ID. Not something like cooldude123@gmail.com. Also add your LinkedIn profile and a portfolio or GitHub link if you're applying for tech or design roles. Next is your career objective or summary. Tailor it to the specific job you're applying for. Keep it short, focused, and aligned with the job description. Ideally, update it for every application. Projects are a key section for freshers. Don't just list project titles. Instead, explain what you built, the tools you used, and the outcomes. Whether academic or personal, your projects show your hands-on experience. Then comes education. List your degree, college, and year of passing in chronological order. Include your CGPA if it's decent. You can also mention relevant coursework if applicable. Include internships if you have any. Mention the role, company, and duration. Explain what you did and what you learned. Even a short-term or virtual internship adds value. Now list your technical skills. Match them with the job description. You can also add certifications or courses, but only if they are relevant to the role. Point number 4, use keywords from the job description. This part is crucial. Read the job description carefully and include relevant keywords in your resume. This increases your chances of passing through resume screening systems. Point number 5, make your resume ats-friendly. Your first gatekeeper is often not a human, but an applicant tracking system. So, avoid using fancy columns, graphics, or text boxes. Stick to standard fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Keep your font size between 10 and 12. And always save your resume as a PDF unless mentioned otherwise. Now go ahead and build a resume that makes recruiters say, "We need to call this one." If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really motivates me to create more content like this. Take care.